What's up guys, your Biglee here. A good biceps needs to be accompanied by a good forearm to make your entire arm look lucrative. I'm gonna teach you an exercise that's gonna help you build not only your biceps but some awesome forearms. We call it Zoltman curls or Zottman curls. The workout is pretty simple. Pick up a pair of dumbbells. Let them face your thighs. On your way up, you do a regular supination curl, and on top, after you contract, you pronate the weight and then drop them down. Supinate curl, pronate, drop. Supinate, curl, pronate, drop. Supinate, curl, pronate, drop. If you remember, I told your biceps has other functions than just curling. So two of them are supination and pronation. We are engaging both of them, so we are hitting the biceps in a completely different angle. And in order to accommodate the supination and pronation, we are exhausting the forearm muscles as well. So if you wish to develop a complete package in your arms, then Zoltman curls is a must-have. Until the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.